100 Days of Daily AI Content. The complete, honest truth. 100 days. 100 videos. Every single day. No days off. No recycled content. No filler. One original video every morning for 100 consecutive days. I want to be honest with you today in a way that milestone videos usually are not. Not a highlights reel. Not a celebration of everything that went well. The complete honest truth. What actually worked. What I got completely wrong. The 3 moments I nearly stopped. And the single most important thing I learned that I wish I had known on day 1. If you have been here since the beginning, thank you. If you are finding this channel for the first time, welcome. Either way, this video is for you. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. And welcome to day 100. What actually worked? Consistency compounded faster than I expected. The first 2 weeks felt like shouting into an empty room. The analytics were modest. The subscriber growth was slow. The effort felt disproportionate to the results. And then something shifted. Around day 30, the algorithm began recognizing this channel as a consistent, reliable source of content in the AI niche. Distribution improved, subscriber growth accelerated, and the videos published in week 1 that had felt like they disappeared without a trace started attracting new viewers through search results they had been quietly accumulating in the background. The compound effect of daily content is not visible in week 1. It becomes visible in week 4. And by week 8, it feels almost disproportionate to the daily effort required. If you are building a content channel right now and your first 2 weeks feel invisible, keep going. The compounding has not started yet. It will. Honest content consistently outperformed polished content. The videos where I shared real numbers, admitted specific mistakes, and gave genuinely honest assessments of things that did not work attracted significantly more engagement than videos that were technically better produced but stayed safe. Viewers can sense the difference between a creator who is sharing what they genuinely know and a creator who is performing expertise. The honest videos built trust. The trust built the community. The community is why this channel exists beyond day 100. The thumbnail iteration process was the most valuable creative practice on the channel. Every single video where I shared a thumbnail for feedback and built it through multiple versions produced a better result than every video where I published the first version. The gap between a first attempt thumbnail and a third iteration thumbnail was consistently significant. In click-through rate, in visual clarity, and in how precisely the thumbnail communicated the video's promise. If you create content, invest in thumbnail iteration. It is the highest leverage creative investment available. What I got completely wrong. I underestimated how long scripts would take in the first 3 weeks. I had planned for 30 minutes per script. The reality was closer to 90 minutes before I built efficient briefing habits for Claude. The gap between plan and reality created pressure I had not prepared for. The fix, building a detailed style brief and content brief system, made the process dramatically more efficient. But I should have built that system before day 1. I underestimated the importance of the first 30 seconds of every video. I spent enormous energy on script body and almost no energy on the opening hook in the first 20 videos. The analytics told the story clearly. Completion rates on early videos were noticeably lower than on later ones where I treated the opening 30 seconds as the most important creative decision in the entire script. Every viewer decides whether to keep watching in the first half minute. Everything after is irrelevant if the opening does not earn the next minute. The 3 moments I nearly stopped day 11. The analytics showed almost no growth, and I questioned whether anyone was watching at all. Day 34. A family situation consumed most of my available time for 4 days, and the daily habit felt like it was going to break permanently. Day 67. I ran a topic check and realized how many ideas I had already covered. The fear that I was running out of fresh content felt real and serious for about 48 hours. All 3 moments passed. Day 11 because I committed to evaluating results at 30 days, not 11. Day 34 because I had built an adaptation protocol that allowed recovery without abandonment. Day 67 because a proper brainstorming session with Claude produced enough fresh verified topics to plan through day 100 and beyond. Every challenge that felt like a reason to stop was actually a problem with a specific solution. The ones that got through were the ones I had not anticipated. The ones I had planned for never became crises. The single most important thing I learned. I saved this for last because it is the one thing I would tell anyone starting a daily content channel on day 1. Do not evaluate whether it is working until day 60. The metrics that matter, subscriber growth, watch time, algorithmic distribution, inbound opportunities, are all lagging indicators. They reflect decisions made weeks and months before the number appears in your analytics. Evaluating on day 11 is like planting a seed and digging it up 2 days later to check if it has grown. The evaluation destroys the very process you are trying to measure. Commit to 60 days of consistent daily effort before drawing any conclusions. Not 30, 60. The channel looks completely different at day 60 than it does at day 30. And it looks completely different again at day 100. You are watching this video right now because someone committed to 100 days before evaluating. That commitment, and nothing else, is why this channel exists. What comes next, day 100, is not the end. It is the beginning of the second chapter. The next 100 days will go deeper. More honest experiments. More systems content. More of the videos that this community has responded to most strongly. And more of the creative thumbnail and format experimentation that has made this channel genuinely interesting to build. Thank you for being here. Every comment, every thumbs up, every subscriber, every person who shared a video with someone who needed it. This channel exists because you kept watching. What has been your favorite video from the first 100 days? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every single one. If this journey has given you even one idea that changed how you work with AI, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. The best is still to come. See you tomorrow.